What's good? It's your boy Dre, also known as Mr. Po Folk Everything, and today I'm back with another one. So today we gonna bring back out an old project. What project, you might ask? Project Chance. He was pushed aside for other projects as well as a couple of other issues and things that we had going on at that time. So now it's time to bring him back out. For everybody that follows the channel, you know who Chance is. But for those of you who are new here, Chance is a 1993 Fox Body Mustang. So if you follow the channel, you know that we put this 6.0 together for Project Chance. But I have another project that I'm going to be using this engine on. So therefore, Chance will be getting this engine, which is also a 6.0. With that being said, there's a couple of things that I need to do first to get it ready to be installed. So I moved a couple things around. The engine that we'll be installing in Project Chance is now front and center because there's a couple things that we need to do to it to get it ready to be installed. As you can see, the Junkyard 6.0 build that we were doing has been removed off the engine stand and moved out the way. So what I need to do is I need to put some type of intake on it, a valley cover, a dipstick, some spark plug wires, So I got the exhaust manifolds installed. So now I need to install the dipstick and dipstick 2. All right, so off camera, I went ahead and installed the valley cover plate. This is not the one that will be permanently installed on this engine. This is for test purposes only. I also went ahead and installed the adapter for the manual oil pressure gauge to be able to monitor oil pressure on startup. So now I just need to install the intake and some plug wires, and then we'll be ready to fire this thing up. Get our plug wires installed, and we got a carbureted setup so that we can test fire this on the stand and make sure everything's good to go. So I'm running the Smart Spark LS on this carbureted setup. You might be running something different like the MSD 6014. Essentially, it's the same. It hooks up the exact same. You just may have an extra connector. I know the MSD uses the coolant temp sensor in their harness, where this one does not. This harness only has your odd and your even coils, a map sensor, a cam sensor, a crank sensor, and a ground. That's it. As far as connectors, then of course you got, you know, a few wires here and there. So I got the manual oil pressure gauge hooked up, and I got it just sitting there. So let me figure out a fuel system so we can get this first fire. Fuel pump's hooked up, got it on the relay. Found a switch panel, we got that all hooked up. So I need to find a battery, and we're gonna see what it do. Always remember, safety first. All right, so let me get y'all set up so we can get this first fire. Can y'all see that? All right, safety first. Make sure that when you're doing stupid stuff like what I'm doing, you got that fire extinguisher handy and close by, just in case anything was to happen. So let's see what we got. First fire. Fire in the hole.
Let me see that again. I didn't get a good look at that.
Come on, man.
A few moments later.
There you go.